Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Respected friends, brothers and sisters, all of you know that today, on the eve of 20th of Jamidus Sani, 1443 after Hijrah, it is a very auspicious day, because on this very day history has been a testimony to a great event, and that is the birth of the daughter of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and her name was Hazrat Sayyida Fatimah Zahra salamullahi alaiha. On this very occasion, many of my friends told me that I should record a message, because we have our daughters, mothers in our homes who too want to know about the seerah of Hazrat Fatimah Zahra salamullahi alaiha. And I was on a routine outing with my accomplices, with my friends, and they too were of the opinion that I should record a message on this occasion. And it was also because we could have just conveyed an ijtima, but due to COVID restrictions all around, we could not do it. So I just want to give a verbal message to my accomplices as well as to those friends who will later be joining us online, that what is the importance and what is the auspiciousness of this very day. On this day, 20th of Jamidul Akhirah, 5 years prior to the declaration of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's messengership to the whole world, Fatimah Zahra salamullahi alaiha was born at Mecca. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam suggested that let her name be Fatimah. And you know, this name is so much auspicious. This name has very deep connotations for the muhibbin of Ahlul Bayt. Everybody who is named just casually. But when Prophet named somebody, Prophet named him not out of his own wish. وَمَا يَمْتِكُ عَنِ الْهَوَىٰ إِنْ هُوَ إِلَّا وَحْيٌ يُوحَىٰ. Prophet ﷺ doesn't speak out of his own wish. He only speaks what is revealed unto him. And that means that when Fatimah Zahra salamullahi alaiha was named as Fatima, it was the divine wish that she should be named as such. And what is the meaning of Fatima? When we refer to the lexicographies of Arabic language, most particularly I found it in Lisanul Arab, that Fatima means one who has been set free. The woman who has been set free. Fatim means a man who has been set free. It can be used as an active participle, one who sets free or one who has been set free. From which thing? It is explained in Hadith, which is recorded in Kanzul Amal, and the narration is from Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah Ansari radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. He says that Holy Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, "Innama summiyat Fatima li anna Allah fatamaha wa muhibbiha minan nar." My daughter Fatima was named as such, that she was named as Fatima because Allah Almighty made her Fatim. Allah Almighty set her free, and wa muhibbi, and all those who love her, all those who are her well-wishers, all those who revere her, who have a reverence for her. Allah has set all those who revere Fatimah Zahra, my daughter. Allah Almighty has set Fatimah. Almighty Allah has set Fatima along with her lovers. Allah has set all of them free from the fire of hell. That means one who has been set free from the fire of hell by Almighty Allah. In another hadith which has been narrated by Hazrat Ali radiyallahu ta'ala mukaramallahu ta'ala wajhu, we have these words that Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that Allah has set my daughter Fatima free and her progeny and her progeny free from the hellfire. And this was the name which was given to the daughter who was born on this very 20th of Jamidul Akhirah in the household of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. She was named as Fatima. That is, her coming to the world is a blessing to her followers. That is, her coming to the world is a great news for her followers that anybody who loves her, Allah will set them free from the hellfire. So on this very auspicious day, I on my own behalf and I on behalf of my entire friends, I wish glad tidings. I give glad tidings to the entire world and to the lovers of Ahlul Bayt and Sahaba that this is a great day when Fatimah Zahra salamullahi alayha was born. And who is Fatima? She is also named as a Zahra. And what is the meaning of Zahra? Zahra sometimes means a blooming flower. There is an aesthetic sense in this word. Zahra means blooming flower of the garden of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And Zahra also means illustrious, lustrous, one who shines. And when we say Zahra in Lisanul Arab, it is said that whenever there is a shining pearl, it is known as Duratul Zahra, the shining, the lustrous pearl. And Fatimah Zahra means the lustrous pearl of the household of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And I am giving now this message to the daughters, to the sisters, that who is Fatimah Zahra? She is the role model of the entire women folk of the world. Allama Iqbal, in one of his eulogies to Hazrat Fatimah Zahra salamullahi alayha says, Maryam az yak nisbat Isa aziz, az seh nisbat Hazrat Zahra aziz. Maryam is very respected woman just because she is in one relationship that she is mother to the Jesus Christ. But like these three relations, Fatimah Zahra holds three respectable relations. First, Noor Chashme Rahmatal Lil Alameen, Imam Awwaleen wa Akhirin. She is the luster of the eyes of beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the one who is the leader of entire humanity. She is the eyesight of beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Second, Banuye Tajdare Halata, Murtaza Mushkil Kusha Shere Khuda. Fatimah Zahra is the better half of one who has been eulogized as the hero of the surah of Halata in Quran. Murtaza, one with whom Allah is pleased. Mushkil Kusha, one who lends a helping hand towards the way, to the wayfarers, to the way of Allah. Shere Khuda, one who is the line of Allah, whose esoteric as well as exoteric qualities are so profound that Ali al-Murtaza is the hero of the brave men of Islam. And Fatimah Zahra is his better half. And third, Madare-a Markaze Parkarish, Madare-a Kafila Salarish. Fatimah Zahra is mother of Imam Hassan al-Mujtaba, who acted just like the compass for the unification of the Ummah. And Fatimah Zahra, she is the mother of the leader of the afflicted lovers of God. The caravan which went to Karbala, under the guidance of Imam Hussain alayhi salatu wasalam. Fatimah Zahra is the mother of Imam Hussain alayhi salatu wasalam. And this is Fatima. She is the role model for mothers, that how mothers should bring up their children. Batuli bash pinha shawazi asr ki dar agosh shabbiri bagiri. Oh daughter of the age, you just become Batul. And keep aside from the vigil and gaze of the world. that way Allah will give you a son, the progeny which is just like Shabir Hazrat Imam Hussain alayhi salam. Who is Fatimah? Gum raza ish dar raza ye shawharash. Fatimah is so kind to her household, but at the same time she submits her entire will to her husband, that her household is the misali, it is the exemplary household of the entire Arabia. And that way, when Prophet ﷺ went to Salah, to Masjid Nabawi, 5 times a day, he used to stand at the door of Ahl al-Bayt and used to say, Assalamu alaikum ya Ahl al-Bayti, oh my household, may the blessings of Allah be upon you. Whenever, it is in hadith that whenever Prophet ﷺ visited Hazrat Fatimah Zahra's apartment, Fatimah Zahra used to stand up in ovation to Holy Prophet. And vice versa, whenever Hazrat Fatimah Zahra used to visit Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, Fatimah Zahra used to give a standing ovation to her father. And when Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam also used to give standing ovation to her daughter. Not only because she was her daughter, but because Fatimah Zahra was like that Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to give her a standing ovation. Allah. And last but not least, I want to tell why I am taking recourse to English dialect. Because many of our friends residing outside state, and I have even my accomplices outside country who don't even understand Urdu, or they don't understand Kashmiri. They often tell me that whenever you give a message, please also take care of us, so that we too could comprehend and we too could understand and we too could take it forward. What you mean? And we have even many of our sisters in Hindu community, in Christian community, although they are non-Muslims, but they are so much enthused by the life of Hazrat Fatimah Zahra, salamullahi alayha, that they wanted to learn a lesson from the illustrious life of Hazrat Fatimah Zahra. Hazrat Fatimah Zahra, salamullahi alayha, what can I say her role? She is known as Umme Abiha. Tabari mentions it in his own narration, that Prophet ﷺ used to tell her Umme Abiha, that Fatima is the mother of her father. She used to take so much care of her father that she was given the laqab, she was given the epithet of Umme Abiha, that is the daughter who acts as a mother to his father. How she managed her household daily course of life, how she managed her spiritual leanings towards Almighty Allah. And when she was only 5 years old, her father was praying in the holy Kaaba, and a kafir came and he just threw filth and the internal removed parts of the camel which were acquired by way of slaughtering the camel. He threw it upon the shoulders of Holy Prophet when he was prostrating before Almighty Allah. It was Fatimah Zahra, little kid. She came and just removed that very filth from the shoulders of her father. And it was just in her, from the very childhood, that she was witness to the struggle between Islam and Kufr, Islam and disbelief. And it was Fatimah Zahra salamullahi alayha. Later on, she was given in a wedlock. She was wedded to Mawlaya Muttaqiyan, Amir al-Mu'mineen, Hazrat Ali ibn Abi Talib karamallahu ta'ala wajhul kareem. And this couple, it was the exemplary couple in the entire Hijaz, in the entire Arabian Peninsula. And last words, I just want to give this message to my sisters, to my brothers, throughout the country as well as across the globe, that you should study the seerah, the biography of Hazrat Fatimah Zahra. And my dear daughters, sisters, you will verily find Fatimah Zahra a role model in each and every aspect of your life, and not only to women folk, but Fatimah Zahra is a role model for the entire humanity. And let on this auspicious occasion of the birth anniversary of Hazrat Fatimah Zahra today on 20th of Jamidul Akhirah, I just give you Mubarakbad. I just wish you a good and a happy life under the blessings of Islam, and a very, very prosperous and a very, very auspicious birthday of Hazrat Fatimah Zahra salamullahi alayha. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.